Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Stoughton, Saskatchewan, a vibrant small town located in the southeast corner of the province. Stoughton was first settled in the early 1900s as the railway opened the prairies to new communities. It quickly became an important hub for farmers, traders, and travelers moving through the area. The town was named after William Stoughton, a prominent figure with the Canadian Pacific Railway who helped plan the route. Agriculture has always been at the heart of Stoughton, with vast fields of wheat and canola surrounding the town. Over the years, it has grown to include schools, shops, and services that support both locals and nearby rural residents. The big prairie sky and open landscape make it a beautiful place to visit at any time of year. Whether you are stopping for a short visit or staying a little longer, Stoughton will make you feel right at home. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Stoughton, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.